On a switch, the time is most impactful to us when we look at logging messages. Logging messages, assuming you have service timestamps logging on, they're going to have the time and the date and the year. And that is something that we can look at. Now, on the console, we don't care too much because if we see it on the console, we know it's probably right now. But if we're storing the log messages, sending them over syslog to a syslog server, then we want to know that the stamps that we put on are trustworthy. And that is important. We just don't want them to be accurate. We want to know with certainty that no one could have tampered with the timestamps that are attributed to those log messages. So Network Time Protocol helps us synchronize the clock, as does Simple Network Time Protocol. But NTP is probably going to be the protocol I use because it's still simple enough. And there's not a huge impact to using SNTP, but I would want you to know the difference between both. Manual configuration is not a scalable option, and you should understand that. Manual configuration of the time on all of our gear is not trustworthy, and it's not a scalable solution. You can do it on a singular device, but you know what? Anything beyond that is not going to fly when we're talking about tens and hundreds of devices.